Hi guys, good evening. I would just like to share something with you guys. So basically, what I'm going to share with you is how to fix a computer that won't start, or paano ayusin yung isang computer na hindi nagbo-boot properly, no? So the first thing we have to check, of course, is the power supply. Normally, if hindi nagpa-power on yung computer natin, we have to check itong power supply ng computer natin kung properly naka-connect ba yung power cord niya dun sa CPU natin. And then, if na-check natin yung cable na properly naka-plug naman siya, by then, pwede na natin siyang i-try i-power on. So, that's the first step. The second one is checking the memory or the RAM. So basically, yung troubleshooting na ginagawa ko dito whenever hindi nag-boot yung computer is that inaalis ko yung memory or yung RAM niya, and then I try to clean it with an eraser. Hindi ko lang masyadong pinepress ng sobra kasi baka may tendency kasi na baka maalis yung or masira yung RAM natin pag napasobra. So we just have to clean it lightly. Ayan. And then pwede na natin siyang i-reinsert or ibalik dun sa board natin. And then after that, pwede nating i-try kung magbo-boot na yung workstation natin. And then the third one is the BIOS settings natin, no. So we have to check kung merong kung ano yung nagko-cause ng problem doon sa BIOS natin, no. Minsan kasi kapag merong nagalaw dito na hindi naman dapat, this might cause problem dun sa pagbuboot ng operating system natin. So normally yung ginagawa kong troubleshooting with this one is that nire-reset ko na lang siya sa default settings, and then kung meron akong gustong palitan na settings which I am pretty sure na mag-work naman and hindi naman magko-cause ng problem dun sa pagbuboot ng operating system, by then i-save ko na lang yon, and then itatry ko kung magbo-boot siya. So normally naman hindi ko naman masyadong pinapalitan sa settings ng BIOS ko unless familiar talaga ako with that. And then the last thing na pwede natin gawin is i-boot natin ng operating system natin sa safe mode kung hindi siya nagbo-boot sa normal mode, no. So with the safe mode kasi pwede nating i-isolate yung problem. Doon makikita natin kung ano yung possible na nagko-cause ng problem. And then with that, pwede natin siyang i-troubleshoot pa further dun sa safe mode nung operating system natin. So, yun lang muna guys. I hope meron tayong natutunan sa mga shinare ko sa inyo. And I hope na subaybayan nyo pa yung mga isi-share ko sa inyo. Ayan. Thank you so much!